What's up guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Alpaca switches, and I also got the Alpaca Plushie. I actually got the Alpaca Plushie from a user on the Prime Keyboards Discord, and I ended up paying a bit more than what it usually costs because I wanted to get it when it came out, when the switches came out and they did the restock, but the switches ended up taking longer to sell out than the Plushie. I actually think these switches are still available on the website, not sure. They made a ton this time. They made a ton of switches, and there's been a ton of linear group buys for switches, so they didn't sell out as quick. If they are sold out, not sure. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick little look at the switches. I think they're amazing. Just first impressions. I am going to do a sound test for you guys, but take that with a grain of salt, because a lot of sound tests with switches are very misleading. It's more important in terms of case acoustics and your keyboard case acoustics and whatnot. Do you have foam? How much empty space is there in your keyboard, and where the switch is placed? That's more important than just the switch itself. That really adds to the sound, so take that with a grain of salt. I'm going to be doing it on my keyboard, comparing it with some novelty creams, not Gatorons, and then I will be doing another sound test on some switch test keychains that I had made. And you guys might see those on the Concepts website, link in the description below. We're going to be launching that soon. But yeah, so I think they're just so nice. Like, just off the bat, factory lubing was pretty decent. Palm stem, polycarbonate top housing, and a nylon bottom housing. It comes with a 62 gram gold plated spring, I believe. Yeah, gold plated spring, and it's a nice, really nice switch, and I think for the value it's very good. They could cost more and people would still buy them, because it's just a pretty decent, pretty decent switch. 5-pin connector, but you can always cut those off if you do need 3-pin. It doesn't really have much room for the lighting to come through. You can see there on the bottom housing, so don't expect to have a very vibrant RGB lighting effect. It's more suited for underglow keyboards, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys that sound test. And there you have it. There's a little sound test, first impression, first look at the Alpaca switches from Prime Keyboards. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please consider subscribing and joining the Discord. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Take it easy. Peace out.